Ready.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, welcome to the Alexis car show.
Okay.
And you know what we're going to talk about today?
How fucking high you are.
No. Today we're... Oh my god, that's my boob. Sorry, got distracted. Today we are going... How the fuck did this key get on this side? I swear to god, I was on this side of my necklace all day. But anyways, so... What was I saying? What were we going to talk about?
I don't know.
Today we are going to talk about... We are going to talk about...
Old people with nice cars.
No. What'd you say the first time when I said that?
I didn't say anything.
I said we were going to talk about, and then you said something.
How high you are.
No, we were going to talk about
I'm gonna get abs.
what
from
not to
laughing at
do.
you.
You just fucked that up so bad. I'm trying to be spontaneous.
Okay. I'll be quiet.
What not to do when you are high. This motherfucker.
Step
One.
Wait.
You
Don't
are
drive
not
the car.
gonna pick up those cats or what? What? Oh my god, what? Holy shit, don't turn around, don't turn around.
Oh my god.